Apple's forthcoming iPhone 17 series is creating excitement, especially in light of new design and color possibilities. One significant change is the discontinuation of the iPhone Plus in favor of the new iPhone 17 Air, which is thinner and lighter in design. The Air, however, lacks enthusiasm, especially in terms of colors and features, according to early comments. In terms of design, the iPhone 17 Pro models are catching attention. They feature a bright orange hue, a departure from last year's desert titanium, as well as a new gray and a one-of-a-kind liquid glass finish that interacts to lighting and complements iOS 26's new visual design. These improvements give the Pro models a unique and expensive appearance. Initially, a light blue color was predicted for the Pro but was ultimately allotted to the iPhone 17 Air, which did little to enhance its appeal. The base iPhone 17 models are more fun, with colors including purple, green, and steel gray. The purple and green varieties, in particular, have been warmly appreciated due to their fresh and joyful atmosphere. According to a recent study, more than 56% of customers chose the iPhone 17 Pro for its colors, while 31% favored the original model and only 12% preferred the new Air, indicating that it may struggle to acquire momentum. The Air's limited battery and lack of outstanding features may result in similar poor sales to the defunct Plus models. Apple is obviously taking more daring moves with this generation, both in terms of hardware and software. Apple is pursuing visual innovation, especially with the Pro's new materials and iOS 26's liquid glass UI, which complements the hardware look, while Samsung's next Galaxy S23 and Google's Pixel 10 are believed to prioritize performance over design. It is unclear whether these adjustments would appeal to Android consumers, as platform loyalty remains strong. The iPhone 17 Pro's vibrant colors, sophisticated design, and new software features, however, may make it the most visually and operationally enticing Apple product in years for existing iPhone customers, especially those considering an upgrade. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.